Hey everyone, I would like to introduce to you a group I created for all Filipino digital crafters, and this group aims to be a thriving hub for individuals passionate about crafting and selling digital products, providing them a space for learning, sharing, and growing together. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Jecka, and virtual assistance has been my cornerstone since 2018, specializing in e-commerce and predominantly focusing on social media marketing. And then nung 2021, I tried to venture into VA coaching and VA courses with the desire of helping more Filipino people learn about virtual assistance. I am also a small business owner and then a digital product seller. Maring ang iniisip mo ngayon, may income ba sa digital product selling? But before I answer that question, I would like to share with you my journey as a digital product seller. Noong 2021, I have created a VA course for free. Yes, it was free and only few enrolled in that course. And then I decided to put minimal fee on my VA courses, and that's the time na sobrang dami na nang nag-enroll. And then of course, since marami nang nag-enroll and they're paying for that course, I have also put efforts in creating more videos, more templates, and more freebies for them. And then noong 2022, I decided to open an Etsy shop. Kasi may nakita ako at napanood na naging successful siya dun sa Etsy shop. So ang iniisip ko, baka ganun rin sa akin kasi it's a passive income. Pero because of having full-time job as a virtual assistant, hindi ko kayang pagsabayan yung VA dun sa pag-create ng mga products for my Etsy shop. Although nakagawa ko ng few products dun sa Etsy, pero hindi ko siya itinuloy nung 2022. And then nung 2023, naisip ko na naman na okay, I would like to sell digital products, but not on Etsy. It's on Gumroad. So nakita ko tong Gumroad dun sa international content creator na sinusundan ko or fina-follow ko dun sa TikTok. And then nakita ko na he's earning a lot from selling on Gumroad. So I decided na okay, it's time to create a Gumroad. Kaya noong June 25, 2023, gumawa ko ng Gumroad ko. And then I sold digital products from there. And then nagkaroon naman ako ng mga sales. That was during the first 2 quarters of the year. And then again, it stopped. Then during the third quarter of 2023, I decided to revive my Etsy shop. Pero bago ko yan ni-revive, nagkaroon muna ako ng maraming niche before I finally decided to reopen my Etsy shop. So yung pinakaunang niche ko is nagbebenta ako ng mga product labels. Pero parang hindi siya okay nung time na yon. So, nag-shift ako into another niche which is about party invitations naman. Then, hindi rin gano'n ulit ka-successful. So, I decided na, okay, gusto kong magbenta ng e-books. Pero hindi pa rin gano'n naka-successful. Until I decided na, okay, kailangan kong pag-isipan ng mabuti kung ano talaga yung niche na gusto ko. And then ngayon, kung ano yung niche ko ngayon, that is the fourth niche na binenta ko dito sa Etsy shop na to. Mid-July, I decided to upload the listings on my Etsy shop. Kaya pagdating ng August, hanggang ngayon is gumanda na yung performance ng aking Etsy shop. And during the third quarter din ng taon 2023, I have opened 2 Rocket.ph shops. Yung isa for my international clients and yung isa naman for my local clients. And ito na nga yung na-earn ko sa aking Rocket.ph in less than a month. So, hindi siya ganun kalaki unlike sa mga other digital product sellers na 2 linggo pa lang silang nagbebenta but they already have a lot of customers. But for me, hindi siya ganun kalaki but still it's earning. Hindi naman ako masyadong nagmo-market ng aking product. The customers just go and visit my profile, my Rocket.ph shops, and then they shop from there. And then nung nag-start ang 2024, here's what I earned for 7 days for both my Rocket.ph shops and for my Etsy shop. And also this year, I became a star seller dun sa Etsy. Ibig sabihin, when you are an Etsy seller, na-reach mo yung criteria na siniset ng Etsy para masabi that you are a reliable seller. And then, ganun din yung aking Rocket.ph shop. I was also identified as a verified pro seller. Now, to answer your question kung may income ba sa digital product selling, the answer is yes. Now, let's talk about what are digital products. Digital products are goods or services that are delivered digitally, meaning they exist in a non-physical electronic format. Unlike sa mga physical products, yung mga digital products naman can be downloaded or accessed via online. So yung mga halimbawa nito ay mga planners, social media templates, ebooks or courses, and even mga busy books, and a lot more. Ngayon, ano bang pinagkaiba ng digital product selling versus the traditional selling? Pag sinabi natin kasing digital product selling, mas malawak yung magiging market mo. You will have a global reach. So you will be able to tap into international markets, and then you will be able to reach diverse customers without considering yung location. You can have both local and international clients. Another, it's cost efficient. Ibig sabihin nito na wala ka masyadong babayaran na overhead expenses katulad ng mga physical storefronts, yung staffing, and yung mga utilities, mga bills. Wala ka masyadong babayaran na sobrang taas na expenses because you are going to deliver the product via online. There are also passive income opportunities since you will be able to generate passive income kahit na you are just sleeping there for as long as the initial setup is complete, nagawa mo na yung product, you have uploaded the product, okay na, pwede kang magbenta kahit you are not doing anything. Pero may mga downsides din, katulad ng security risk. Since we all know na it's done via online, sa mga digital selling platforms, these are vulnerable to cybersecurity threats, katulad ng mga data breaches, hacking, and yung mga online fraud. Ibig sabihin nito, you have to consider yung security measures between you to protect your business and to protect the information of your customer. And then also, there is an intense competition dito sa digital product selling. Since alam naman natin na simula nung pandemic, halos lahat na ng transactions are done via online, and dun lalo mas nag-boom yung digital product selling. So sa ngayon, alam natin na marami na rin ang gumagawa ng digital product selling. But do not be threatened. With the proper way, with the right strategies, hindi ka matatakot na magbenta ng mga digital products mo. And I will teach you that in the next set of videos. Ngayon, yung benefits naman ng traditional selling, of course, for tangible experience. Yung sa traditional selling methods naman, you are able to provide hands-on experience with your customer. You can physically examine and interact with your products, and then you can have a deeper connection with your customers, and then you can build rapport with your customers para mas malaki yung maging trust nila dun sa product mo. And of course, meron ding downside. It's really time consuming. You will be spending a lot of time in processing the order since you have to do it manually, pati sa packaging, pati sa shipping, lahat doon, sobrang dami ng gagawin. And it's also very costly since you have to pay for the overhead expenses katulad ng mga physical storefronts, for the staffing sales team, and yung mga raw materials na gagamitin mo for your product. So, this will result to lower profit margins unlike sa pagbebenta mo ng digital products. Now, if you want to start selling digital products, the first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. Picking a niche is essential for selling digital products because it helps you connect with your target audience, create products that meet their needs, and of course, differentiate yourself in the market. Naniniwala talaga ako dun sa kasabihan na you can't sell what you don't value. Meaning, it emphasizes the importance of alignment between the entrepreneur's values and the products of services they offer. And at the end of this video, I will be giving you a list of niche ideas para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano ba yung mga possible products na pwede mong ibenta according to your niche. And then the next thing you will do is to do a market research. You have to identify your target audience. You also have to research dun sa mga competitors mo, tingnan mo yung mga products nila, how they price their products, ano yung mga marketing strategies na ginagawa nila, and then you also try to look if there is a demand on that product. So that's the next thing you have to do. And then after that, you have to choose your product. You have to decide on the type of digital product you want to sell. Example, if you want to sell ebooks or mga online courses, mga softwares, mga templates, you have to ensure your product aligns with your expertise and the needs of your target audience. And then after that, it's time to create your product using yung mga tools or softwares you are comfortable with. You also have to pay attention to design, kung paano ba imo-market yung product, lahat yon you have to consider. And sometimes may mga pagkakataon na you have to test your product to ensure na okay, there is a demand on this product. And then, you have to set a platform. So, you have to choose a platform for selling your digital products. Katulad nga ng mga pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, like Gumroad, Etsy, Rocket.ph, and many more, which I will give more details dun sa mga susunod na videos. And then, you set up your online store, you customize it, make sure that it reflects your brand. And then, of course, don't forget to configure your payment gateways to ensure a secure transactions with your customers. And then, lastly, you launch your product. So, you have to plan how are you going to launch your product. And then, kung magkakaroon ka ba ng mga special promotions, mga discounts. Of course, you also have to consider how are you going to market your products. Are you going to utilize your social media to sell your digital products? Or you decided na, okay, you just want to sell your products on your own website? So, it's all up to you kung ano yung magiging strategy mo when you will be launching your first product. And then, at the end of this video, I will be sharing with you 50 list of niche ideas na pwede ninyong gamitin when you want to start creating your first product. If you want to join to the Filipino Digital Crafters group, you can check the link in my bio or check the link in the description or in the caption. If you are interested to know more about digital product selling, please join our group because I will be providing free resources to all of you.